palm oil. 90% of the palm oil is with Indonesia and Malaysia. 60% Indonesia, 30% Malaysia. So all the resources Allah has given us, if we have alliance of the Muslim countries for trade, for business, for military, like if they have the Interpol, international police, we should have the Islamic police. Why should we be dependent on them? So if we collaborate and join hands together, not to bully others, they are doing it to bully others. They go and kill tens of thousands of Muslims in Afghanistan, in Iraq, now in Palestine. What are we doing? If we join hands together and unite on the basis of Quran and Sahih Hadith, as Allah says, وَاعْتَصِمُوا بِحَبْلِ اللَّهِ جَمِيعًا وَلَا تَفَرَّقُوا, in Surah Imran chapter 3 verse 103, that hold all the Muslims, hold strongly to the rope of Allah and be not divided. Hold strongly to the Quran and Sahih Hadith. So inshallah, I feel this is the only solution.